In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on invoice reminders. We'll be doing this inside Xero, so make sure you're already logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard before we start. The goal here is to have Xero automatically remind your customers when their invoices are overdue or about to be due, so you don't have to chase every payment manually. From your Xero dashboard, look towards the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. You'll see several menu options, and you want to look for the one labeled Business or Sales, depending on your Xero layout. Hover over or click on that option and then select Sales if it's shown as a submenu. This will take you into the Sales area, where all of your quotes, invoices, and related tools are managed. Once you're on the sales page, you'll see different tabs or sections, such as quotes, invoices, and maybe other options depending on your setup. Here, you want to click on Invoices. This section is where you can see all your draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. It's also where Xero keeps the tools related to invoice settings and automation. After you're in the Invoices area, look carefully along the page for a link or button that says Invoice Reminders. This is usually located near the top or to the side, close to where you can filter or search your invoices. Go ahead and click on Invoice Reminders. This will open the invoice reminder settings. Here is where you can turn the feature on or off and, if needed, adjust when reminders get sent. While this video is focused on turning it on, it's helpful to know that you can usually choose how many days before or after the due date a reminder should go out, and how many reminders you want in total. You can also often customize the wording of the reminder email so that they match your tone of voice and your brand. Once you've clicked into the invoice reminder area and you can see the settings, simply make sure the reminder feature is switched on. Before you leave the page, quickly review the schedule and the messages so you're comfortable with what your customers will receive. That's all you need to do. You've now turned on invoice reminders in Xero, which should help you get paid faster and reduce the time you spend following up on overdue invoices.